Look how beautiful they are. Finally, I got two of them eating together. I cannot make better video than this because I just break this part here. So they call me the attention. They say I'm not supposed to do that, you know. And well, I tell them I'm gonna fix it for them.
Okay.
Yeah. Where's the other one going?
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
I tell you, I can't see too good.
Yeah. This is all dirty. Of course, I'm gonna clean them up. I'm gonna make a better house for them. And here they are. Then that one goes so far there. I get you ready to eat. And here they are. 1, 2, 3. They nice. They know me already. Nobody can touch them except me. So they know me. I give them food every day. See? Even me, they go kind of scared, you know. Look at this guy. Ooh. See, they go scared a little bit. They're so sweet. They innocent. They have no owner. It's nobody owner them. They got no name. You know, I cannot even find any name for them. So I decided to call them Chiquito. This is where I park my mobile mechanic here. When I come from there, I call Chiquito. And all of them coming out like crazy because they're hungry. Yeah, look at this. I would like to find somebody who can adopt her or take them to a safe place. You know? This one don't even want to eat. He's just smelling the food. Hello kitty, look at you. You don't want to eat with your brother? Come on. Yeah, come this way. I'm gonna help you clean, come. Yeah, let me see if I can grab it. Ven. It's okay, papi, it's okay. Ven, come ahí, ve. Come here, chiquito, ve. Oh. They bite me. Oh, no baby, don't bite me. They go down. They bite me, little people. Huh? There's the other sleeping. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. One of them's died, you see?
No, I can't see. Molly?
One of the more beautiful is died because I guess they don't have a, you know. Look at how cute he are. He look in the camera. He's just jumping down, you know. But look, there's a lot of more there. That one died. They're just living here behind where I live, behind my building, and you know, I'm trying to get help from animal cares or something, you know, but no one cares. Say that again?
One of them que estaban caminando.
Yeah, one of the big one like this is over there. I think he died. He don't move.
Black?
Yeah, he don't move around, you know. Look at the mother here. Uh-huh. That's the mother for the big one. Mira, it's over there, look, está muerto. You need to go inside, yeah, it's behind, it's in the red tower.
Este.
Uh-huh. No. Next to those.
Este.
Yeah,
Ella.
sí.
Oh, shit. Son.
Feel bad for those little baby, you know? They're so innocent, they don't know nothing about life. You know? Look at this. Chiquito. Hey, baby. Baby, look at this. They can only drink milk. Milk from the mother, you know? I feel so happy because this one eating. Hello, Chiquito. You like the food, baby? Hey, Chiquito, you like the food? He's gonna jump down. You wanna go down, baby? I can help you. But I don't wanna touch you. I don't wanna touching you with my hand because I might make you sick. Look at this. Ooh, another baby there, just going up, trying to look for some food. See? This one jump. Over here, look. It's over there behind the garbage, that thing there. Right here. Straight this way, look. Straight to me here. So I guess you're gonna have to go lay down there and, you know, come this way.
Where?
Here. It's over here, look. Straight my finger here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ay, bendito.
Yeah, it next to the little one. So I guess they're gonna get sick because I cannot reach there if I put my hand in.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's dead. He's not moving nothing. He was the gray one, silver one, I think.
Gray and white.
Yeah.
Damn.
I think he's still alive. He bleeding. He breathing. Oh my God, what's going on? Why he's like that?
Maybe alguien se pisó.
Look, they play, they fighting. They trying to play. When they saw baby, if you move anything around them, they started play. I really love animals. I love them, you know. They're so innocent. I love dog, cat. Ooh, yes. I like that food, Daddy. You bring me that food tastes so good. That's why I clean my mouth now. There is like 4 more, you see? This is the mother. This is the mother there. See? She cleaned her thing. Wow. I would like to move that one out of the way because they might gonna get sick, you know? Let me see if I can reach with my hand. See, they're too far away. I guess I'm gonna have to pull the whole thing out. Sorry for the video, I'm trying to make better video, but you know, it's kinda hard like that. Nah, I cannot reach. This is impossible. Hola, mama. You okay? She crying. She lost one of her baby. Look at this, man. So please, if you see this video and there is someone who can help this little kid, you know, please come get it, you know. Just text me your information or ask me for, to message or anything, and I will give you the information for anybody can get it, because they're gonna die. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Of course, but I have to put it out first. Look at this. Oh my God. Sorry for your loss, man. Sorry, baby. Oh wow, look. I guess he's trying to do some khaki and sorry for your loss, mama. Look, I gotta throw it away. I have to throw it away, mommy. That's the mother there. That's her mother. But I gotta throw this baby away. Otherwise, your other babies, they're gonna get sick. I'm sure people wanna say, "Oh, this guy's crazy talking to a cat." He's talking to animals.